real good look at. Cause that's how a dumb nigga commits suicide.
I cross a mountain, put a K in the word, nigga.
How you feel about that rapper Young Ratchet? That new rapper Young Ratchet? What do you think about his music?
It sucks.
It sucks? You don't like Young Ratchet?
No.
His music is garbage, right?
Yeah.
Very garbage. Would you ever buy a Young Ratchet CD?
No.
I want man mean punches here. I heard some beef sparks up with some new nigga. Well, unknown nigga named Ratchet or something. What's up with that?
Man, that nigga Ratchet, that nigga whack, son. He supposed to be a rapper. He ain't got no bars. The lyrics is whack, son. Don't even talk about that nigga.
Oh, so what's good? You gonna drop a track on this nigga?
I mean, I might drop 8 bars on that nigga till they respond. Him and his whack homeboy, J Money. Niggas is garbage.
Matter of fact, who are them niggas? Where they be at?
Man, the nigga Ratchet be hiding up in the mountains with them bears and tigers, man. The other nigga J Money, nigga cross seas on the island and stuff, man.
Alright, what about the other nigga Lolo?
That sweet cotton candy nigga? That nigga that be singing and dancing? That nigga? I like that nigga to sing on the hook.
Alright, son. I see you getting money out here, though.
I'm getting money, though. I'm sure you. I got a stack. Like, I'm getting money. Getting money, dog. All day, every day.
All the bitches love me, so just holler back. I'm scared to bust a gun, I ain't scared to bust a cap. All you think no homeless can fucking suck my sack. You're out, I stay fucking sad. Get up on my level if you ain't there yet. Look at your heart with the beam up on your chest. It's a shot to